Hello, this is Jammal Adiwani Baba. Today is February 2nd, 2024. I got a request a while back from one of the mentees that listened to my Yoruba talking drum educational analysis. And the individual requested if I could help decode and educate them on the volume 14B of Yusuf Olatunji LP. And that's the plate where Yusuf Olatunji did the inauguration cut for Oba Folorunsho Adilola Lipede. In that particular work, I'm comfortable doing the first 3 tracks. But the last track in that volume 14B, Kasunmu, just it took it to another level. And I couldn't crack some of the drum pattern. I couldn't crack them. So what I'm decided I'm gonna do is, initially I was holding back, but then since we already using this as educational form, and since we know that la ní tán kan kò ní wọ ẹṣin, nobody has monopoly over knowledge. So I figured I'll just go ahead and do it. And then people that know or are familiar with the missing drum pattern, they can just put the comments in the comment portion of my posting. So that's one thing. Another thing I want to cover is that the reason I'm doing this is to pretty much hand off the batons to the next generations. Because one thing I've learned culturally about our folks is that it's pretty much rely on oral history. And the individual that has the knowledge, once they die, they just took the knowledge with them. So I figured if we can start audio documentation or video documentation or written documentation, we might be able to salvage some portion of our cultural richness. If we don't, people will just be doing mumbo jumbo and just be fumbling as they go along. And that doesn't serve the rich culture, the rich Yoruba culture well at all, in my opinion. So we'll keep doing this educational form to educate people, and then people can enrich themselves from it. For me personally, I don't have monetary interest in it, not a penny interest in it. But I like as much as possible to give it to people the same way my foreigner gave it to me for free. So let's do volume 14B of Yusuf Olatunji's work. As usual, his lyrics was superb, and Kasunmu, Ishola, the lead talking drummer, was just... I'm telling you guys, he's one of those dudes I wish I met, so that I could just study his work from close quarter. And I have a bunch of questions for him. But we missed out. Okay. But we'll make do what we have. Like Abiboluwa said, Taro bagundoro afidaro bodeku bi otonkan afidaro. Let's try. Ẹ̀rù ọba ni mo bà, ọba tó, ẹ̀rù ọba ni mo bà. Orelu bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o. Gegedu. Orelu to develop his muscle memory so that he can lock in. Àgílíntí ló mú okùn tí ẹdẹ fàparò. Àgílíntí ló mú ọba ni mo bà. Ẹ̀rù ọba ni mo bà. Ọba tó. Ẹ̀rù ọba ni mo bà. Ọba tó. Erin jogun ọlá ọmọ ají. Ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá, ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá, ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá ọmọ ajíbòdù. Ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá, ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá ọmọ ajíbòdù. Ọba tó. Ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá, ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá, ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá ọmọ ajíbòdù. So that it came back and beat it again. That's the beauty of Kasunmu. He will give you second bite at it. When he beats something, he will give you, most likely he will give you second bite at it. It will loop back again on it. Ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá, ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá ọmọ ajíbòdù. Gẹ́gẹ́ndì ó kàn rí lù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ìpẹ̀dé. Ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá. Lípẹ̀dé. Fọlọ́run ṣọ́ ìwọ lẹ̀rín jogun ọlá. Lípẹ̀dé. Ọmọ ajíbòdù lọ́ba ni mo bà. Nígbà ìgéga lọ́rùn fún ẹnìkan tọrọ Ọlọ́run ò fún. Ìwọ lọ́lọ́run fún. Fọlọ́run ṣọ́ ọmọ ajíbòdù. Fọlọ́run ṣọ́. Ìwọ lọ́lọ́run fún. Fọlọ́run ṣọ́ ọmọ ajíbòdù. ẹnìkan tọrọ ọlọ́run ò fún. Ẹ jẹ́ n fà sẹ́yìn díẹ̀ kínkínní. Ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Ẹnìkan tọrọ ọlọ́run ò fún. Ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Ọlọ́run ṣọ́. Àjíbọ́dù. Ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Ẹnìkan tọrọ ọlọ́run ò fún. Ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Ẹ jẹ́ a padà lọ gbọ́ ibẹ̀ yẹn. The lyrics is saying fọlọ́run ṣọ́ Ishola lọ́bẹ̀ gbàkan. Let's go see if we could pick Ishola from the drum beat that Kasunmu was beating. Okay, so those are the ways I tackle it to flush things out. Àjíbọ́dù Àjíbọ́dù Nìkànlá Àjíbọ́dù ọba ni ó gbà. Ọba tí dé ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Ẹnìkan tọrọ ọlọ́run ò fún. Ìrẹ́ lọlọ́run fún. Fọlọ́run ṣọ́. Ọmọ Àjíbọ́dù ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Wọ́n tọrọ ọlọ́run ò fún. Lọlọ́run fún. So can feel space. Now he's feeling space. So that the lyrics can have room to work. Lọlọ́run fún. Ẹnìkan tọrọ ọlọ́run ò fún. Ìwọ lọlọ́run fún. Ìgbà ẹ̀dá fún wa. Orí ọba alágé. Kansulu. So that drum beat is Ogun State Council. Once they expanded the number of states in Nigeria, and out of Oyo State, then they pull Ogun State. The Ogun State indigenes, they have their license plates, and those from Abeokuta area, and they call it AB for Abeokuta, so which means Abeokuta Local Government Council. So it be one council. Normally they will normally AB council. Amọ̀jẹ̀ májá council. Ṣàpàgùn ẹ̀jà àjọjẹ́. Àgbé olóògùn. Kò lútán àbíkú solóògùn dèké olóògùn. Then the next line will have been Ọlọ́run ju olóògùn lọ. But Kasunmu didn't add the second line, Ọlọ́run ju olóògùn lọ, because it will be stepping on the lyrics. So he swallowed that. Àbíkú ju solóògùn dèké solóògùn. Then he paused on that. Otherwise, he would have been stepping on the lyrics. So that's shows you how advanced he is musically. Àṣìpa, 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 àṣìpa. Ìwọ la fi ṣe, ìwọ la fi ṣàpà, ìwọ la fi ṣe, ìwọ la fi ṣe, ìwọ la fi ṣe. Ọba alákẹ́gbà, ọba alákẹ́gbà, mo yílẹ̀ fàdé, mo yílẹ̀ fàdé. Because Yoruba doesn't stand up to greet their kings. They don't even stand up straight while they greeting their elders. They prostrate. Then when you're actually in front of the king, a legitimate king, an honorable king in his palace, or even anywhere in public, you go all the way in a total humble submission mode. Mo yílẹ̀ fàdé. Ọba ni mo gbà, ọba tó, ọba tó, ọba tó. It's going to the next track about people talking about his own Yusuf Olatunji's demise. Lágbẹ̀dẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kì í ṣí pin. Rìkíṣí pin, alágbẹ̀dẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kìíṣí pin. Kìíṣí pin, alágbẹ̀dẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kìíṣí pin. Ọjà ló lẹ́rù, irọ́ ni pẹpẹ ń pa. Àjà, headache, ló ní ẹrù, irọ́ ni pẹpẹ ń pa. Àjà is far superior than pẹpẹ. Pẹpẹ is shelf. So headache as a place where you keep most important valuable things is much superior than just on a shelf. Meaning he's way more superior than the people that are wishing him demise. Probably some of them are fellow musician rivals. Ló lẹ́rù, irọ́ ni pẹpẹ ń pa. Alágbẹ̀dẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kìíṣí pin. Alágbẹ̀dẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kìíṣí pin. Ní kú, kò ní kú, kò ní kú. Ẹni Ọlọ́run ò pa, kò ní kú, kò ní kú, kò ní kú. Ẹni Ọlọ́run ò pa, kò ní kú. Ẹni Ọlọ́run ò pa, kò ní kú, kò ní kú, kò ní kú. Ẹni Ọlọ́run ò pa, kò ní kú. Àpagbé ni ẹran tí Ṣàngó bá pa. Àpagbé ni. Dúpẹ́, Ọlọ́run ò pa mí lẹ́kún, mo dúpẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́, Ọlọ́run ò pa mí lẹ́kún, mo dúpẹ́. Irọ́ ọjà o, wọ́n rẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kìíṣí pin. Irọ́. Alágbẹ̀dẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kìíṣí pin. Ìṣọ́rí ló fi ṣe àfẹ́wò wọ̀nyẹn. Sọ́kà àjà òkú, àwúre ló fi ṣe àfẹ́wò mọ̀. Baálé ilé Ẹ̀gbá jara wọn níyàn. Àwọn ọmọdé Ẹ̀gbá. So you guys check this out. In this lyric portion, the lyrics was saying, àwọn ìkà tó ń sọ pájà òkú ìṣọ̀rí lọ́ fi ṣe àbẹ́ òmọ ẹni. Kasunmu then came with the drum beat pé wọ́n ń jara wọn níyàn. Àwọn aráàlú wa ń sọ pé bá a wà. Àwọn ará Ẹ̀gbá bá a wà. Màá fà sẹ́yìn fún yín kẹ́ tún gbọ́. Dúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run ò pa mí lẹ́kún, mo dúpẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run ò pa mí lẹ́kún, mo dúpẹ́. Irọ́ ọjà o, wọ́n pẹ̀lẹ́ kò rí pépà rọrì kì í sí pin. Ìkísí pin alágbẹ̀dẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kì í sí pin. Ajá òkú sáré lọ́ fi ṣe àbẹ́. Here it comes. Listen to it. Baálé ilé Ẹ̀gbá jara wọn níyàn, àwọn ará Ẹ̀gbá tàgbé bá a wà. Màá tún fà sẹ́yìn fún yín kẹ́ tún gbọ́, and I won't say a word so that you guys can hear it clearly. Ẹ̀gbọ́n kì í rùn ìkúrọ̀kúrọ̀ já. Ọ̀dẹ̀ ń dẹkùn. Baálé ilé Ẹ̀gbá jara wọn níyàn. Látàlúdẹ́ àwà. So that's a classic Ẹ̀gbá for you. They were doing something bad. They were whispering his demise. But instead of the citizenry to confront them and say, why are you guys spreading this false rumor? All they will say is, Bawa. Bawa. That's Ẹ̀gbá. So different culture has their own way of dealing with ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá ṣò wọ́n lọ́wọ́. Tó bá ṣò àwọn ará Ẹ̀gbá lọ́wọ́, Bawa. Kó má lọ tún sọ di tòun náà. I agree with you and pull up. Okay, Bawa. Báyìí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ sọ nìyẹn. Okay, Bawa. Alájà ó ti kú sẹ́. Bawa. Then some other culture, no, why are you guys doing that? You know. So cultural, that's how they roll with things. To buy show on law. Let's keep going. Ọjà ló lẹ́rù, irọ́ ní pẹpẹ ń pa. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìyẹn, ọjà ló lẹ́rù, irọ́ ní pẹpẹ ń pa. Bóyá gédéǹgédéǹgédé. Pípẹ́ tiwa lóde lẹ ṣe ń gbọ́ tún gbòòsì o. Ẹ̀gún àgùn gbẹ̀dẹ̀ kò rí bàbá rọrì kì í sí pin. Sorry, not ẹ̀gún àgùn. Alágbẹ̀dẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kì í sí pin. So kí n máa rí kì í sí pin. Alágbẹ̀dẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kì í sí pin. Lágbẹ̀dẹ kò rí pépà rọrì kì í sí pin. mo dúpẹ́ mo dúpẹ́ mo dúpẹ́ mo dúpẹ́ ọlọ́run ò pa mí lẹ́kún mo dúpẹ́. Lójijì gèdègèdè lẹ́nu ilẹ̀ mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwọ̀n The moving on to la fi ṣe is going to the next one. La fi ṣàgbà ìwọ la fi ṣe lẹ́nìkan ṣe kọ́ńdú ìwọ la fi ṣe. So the next track, the third track now. Àbíjọ́ jẹ́ńgẹ́bí. Ìwọ la fi ṣe ìwọ la fi ṣàgbà ìwọ la fi ṣe ẹnìkan ṣe kọ́ńdú ìwọ la fi ṣe. Ọkọ mu nira. Watch this pattern, how they change the beat here. Ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ ohun tó ṣe yín, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀. Láwàní. Ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ ohun tó ṣe yín, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀. Tẹ́ rí wa, tẹ́ kí wa, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀. Ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ ohun tó ṣe yín, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀. Tẹ́ rí wa, tẹ́ kí wa, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀. Òṣùkù bámúbámú ẹni yóò bá wú kó bẹ́. Òṣùkù bámúbámú ẹni yóò bá wú kó bẹ́. Lọ́wọ́ àmúdá dágbà náà gbọ́dọ̀ yá bẹ́ẹ̀ lóde. Ìlà ìṣàgbà ìwọ la fi ṣe. Ǹjẹ́ ó ń dún kọ̀ǹdù ìwọ la fi ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan ṣe kọ̀ǹdù ìwọ la fi ṣe. Gbàgbé ẹ̀rí sílé o àmúdá wọn àtọ̀gbọ̀. Tàdábàlá inú ajá ní ń gbé ẹnìkan ò mọ ẹ̀yìn ọ̀la. Irọ́ ni. Don't listen to any sorcerer. Ode níta wí ode. La fi ṣe ìwọ la fi ṣàgbà ìwọ la fi ṣe lẹ́nìkan ṣe kọ́ńdú ìwọ la fi ṣe. Yóò ra mọ́ àìṣe ọjọ́ orí ẹgbẹ́ àwí sólòsì ní ìran àtọ̀pọ̀ kékeré ràn lówó ni wọ́n. So these are examples of the change beat. Dájókòó bàbá ẹlòmíì lọ. Àfẹ́mọ̀ ẹni tó bí ẹ lọ́mọ nìṣó lé. Gbọ́dọ̀ jí pọ́nlá obìnrin tó bá mọ̀ kú tó kàn bẹ̀ kò gbọ́dọ̀ jí pọ́nlá. ẹ̀gún àgún oníbàtà tó fojú dẹ̀gún ẹ̀gún àgún. Bí wàásì júdí tàtàrí bí wàásì júdí tàrí bí wàásì júdí bí wàásì júdí tàrí bí wàásì júdí. Ìwọ kọ́ ló dá mi yóò tó sọ̀rọ̀ bí Elédùmarè. Ìwọ kọ́ ló dá mi. President. Ó kù jẹ́jẹ́. Ó kù jà. Manager. Africa manager. Manager. Africa manager. 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 Africa manager. Africa manager. Manager. So Africa manager, Africa manager. It just means those indigenous, local indigenous, those Africans that were able to break the managerial glass, and they were able to now break into being part of the management in the establishments that were mostly controlled by the Europeans. So they'll call them African manager, African manager. African manager, African manager. So this style drum is a bass drum beat. Now it's going to get to the last track where it threw me a lot here. So if anybody knows some of these drum beats that I'll be missing, chime in. Láti ìlú Èkó, wọ́n jẹ́ àmàlẹ́sí. You guys hear the message? For those of you that are doubting the source of the Sakara, I'm going to pull it back for you guys to hear what Yusuf has to say with the lyric. Amúfàájì wá láti ìlú Èkó. Kí ló wí gbà mí? Ó dé. Wọ́n dé. Malaysia. Amúfàájì wá láti ìlú Èkó. Àga ẹgbẹ́ Ẹ̀sàbẹ̀ ní Kòsọ́kọ́ extract. I think he's saying ara ò lè bí. ara ò lè bí. But I'm not 100% sure. Ara ò lè. Alápá ń ṣánpá. Tó lóyìn òdu kó lọ bínú kú. Ẹni tó lóyìn òdu kó lọ bínú kú. Ọ̀nà tó bá ojú. This one I know. Ọ̀ràn tó bá ṣojú ìlú kò ṣeé sín. Máa fà sẹ́yìn fún yín kẹ́ gbọ́. What happened publicly? It can no longer be a secret. Ọ̀ràn tó bá ṣojú ìlú kò ṣeé sín. Ọ̀ràn tó bá ṣojú ìlú. Ọ̀ràn tó bá ṣojú ìlú kò ṣe sín. You can no longer hide it. Sín. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá ṣojú ìlú kò ṣe farasín is the full proverb of it. But here, ó sọ pé ọ̀ràn, meaning problem. Ọ̀ràn tó bá ṣojú ìlú kò ṣeé sín. You can't deny, you can't say it didn't happen. You can't keep it a secret anymore. Kò ṣeé farasín, is the full proverb. Kò ṣeé farasín, ọ̀ràn tó bá ṣojú ìlú kò ṣeé farasín. Kò ṣeé farasín. You can't hide it, you can't keep it a secret. Nọmọ balógun, wẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ nọmọ balógun, wẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ nọmọ balógun. Wẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ nọmọ. Nọmọ balógun, ọmọ balógun. Ẹni bá nọmọ balógun. Tó lóhun ń jẹ kíní kan bọ̀. Àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí náà lókun Show the bad. Check this out. Ọmọ tí ó ní bàrẹ̀ irin ni kò ní rọ ẹni bá máa lágbẹ̀dẹ lójú. Ọmọ tí ó ní bàrẹ̀ irin ni kò ní rọ bàrẹ̀ ire ni ire. So ṣó ní bàrẹ̀ ọmọ ṣó ní bàrẹ̀ ire ni kò ní rọ ẹni bá máa lágbẹ̀dẹ lójúkójú. Ire ni kò ní rọ ire mo ti fà á sẹ́yìn. Ṣó ní bàrẹ̀ ire ni. You guys give me 1 minute. Sorry, I had to let the dog out. Ṣó ní bàrẹ̀ ire ni kò ní rọ ẹni bá máa lágbẹ̀dẹ lójú. Ire Aníkúlápó ire. Me. I know this song too. Ọ̀ràn. Remember earlier on he said ọ̀ràn tó bá ṣe ojú ìlú, you can't hide it. When he was singing about Jami Warijo, ọ̀ràn tó bá ṣojú ìlú kò ṣe sín or kò ṣe farasin. You can't keep it secret anymore. Now, when it got to Aníkúlápó portion, ó ní Aníkúlápó ọ̀ràn fini dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ fini yínínú. Or you can say it as ọ̀ràn tó fini dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ ajuninu. It's pretty much saying that a problem that shakes you real vigorously, after a while it lets you go, and then it makes you stronger. It's similar to iṣẹ́ tó bá bọ́mọ lógún ọdún tí ò bá pa á dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn ẹ̀. It will make that person elasticity stronger and with more range. So, when he was singing about the lyrics was talking about Aníkúlápó àtàlàdé Rafiu mi. Aníkúlápó ọ̀ràn fini dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ yínínú. So that's that proverb, Yoruba proverb. Ọ̀ràn fini dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ yínínú. So màá fà sẹ́yìn kẹ́ lè gbọ́. Ọ̀ràn ni. Ìbàrẹ̀ ire ni kò ní rọ ẹni bá máa lágbẹ̀dẹ lójú. Aníkúlápó ire ọ̀ràn fini dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ ire. Kasunmu is good. So now that I'm cycling it back with you guys, I picked it. Aníkúlápó ire. Remember earlier He also said for Shonibare, ire. Shonibare, ire. Ẹni bá máa lágbẹ̀dẹ lójú, ire ni kò ní rọ̀. And Shonibare, ire. Now, when it comes to Anikulapo, ọ̀ràn fini dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ yún nínú ire. Tí ò bá pa ẹ́, ìṣẹ́ tó bá bó mọ́ lógún ọdún, similar is the same as this proverb. Tí ò bá pa ni, á dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn ẹni. It will turn out to be something you gain experience from. Then it becomes a plus for you. It becomes advantageous for you. Ọ̀ràn fini dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ yín nínú ire. So máa fà sẹ́yìn. Mo fà sẹ́yìn a little bit longer. Wrong minute. Ilẹ̀ ní gbé. So ibẹ̀ ló sẹ́ńgẹ̀ ọ̀ràn tó bá ṣe kíní kankan ilẹ̀ ló ń gbé pé ìwọ̀n kí tí ó bá ti pa ẹ́. Lọ bínú kú, ẹni tó bá lóyìn òdùn kó lọ bínú kú. Kó lọ bínú kú, ẹni tó lóyìn òdùn kó lọ bínú kú. Tó bá ṣe ilẹ̀ ní gbé ọ̀ràn tó bá fi ni ilẹ̀ ní gbé. Now it's gonna come back again with it. As you do. Balógun wé gbọ́dọ̀ ná ọmọ balógun ná ọmọ balógun ẹni bá ná ọmọ balógun. Ẹni bẹ̀rẹ̀ mú ìyọnu ṣẹ́dúnlógún bí ìyọnu ní ìyọnu ní ọ̀nà ìyọnu ní ọmọ Shonibare ire ni kò ní rọ̀ ẹni bá máa lágbẹ̀dẹ lójú. Ire Anikulapo ire ọ̀ràn mi ní dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ ire àfi ní dùgbẹ̀ ire Anikulapo ire. So only similar pattern that he built for Shonibare ẹni bá máa gbẹ̀dẹ lójú ire ni kò ní rọ ṣóníbàárẹ̀ ire ṣóníbàárẹ̀ ire. Then it came to Aníkúlápó ọ̀ràn fínífíní dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ yín nínú ire. Aníkúlápó ọ̀ràn fíní dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ yín nínú ire. ọmọ ṣóníbàárẹ̀ ní tí kọgílá kọlù ló lè kọlù mọ̀ ṣóníbàárẹ̀ àfẹni tí kọgílá kọlù ló lè kọlù èṣù ló lè kọlù Ṣàngó àfẹni tí Ṣàngó pa. Bàrẹ̀ dé sinmi ariwo pẹ̀lú bẹ̀rẹ̀ dé. So you guys kind of got a window into how I tackle it. So sometimes I'm at it for days. I'll just go at it. I don't let it defeat me. Tackle it. I give myself a break. I go right back at it. And then once you catch portion of the sentence, then you can start building out. Once you catch a portion of a proverb that then it's easier for you to say, okay, this will be a starting point for me. Once you have a starting point, then you can drill down with suru nishao. So for those people that might know those drum beats that I couldn't tackle or solve especially in that last track area, help us. Every contribution counts. Okay. You guys stay blessed. Don't forget, we have to keep plugging away. But we are grateful that these, our ancestors, Yusuf Olatunji, Ishola Kasunmu, and then Abib and co, they gave us something to cherish, to work with. Let's keep sharing it among ourselves so that we could recapture the ground we've lost. We need to try and catch up. Let's stay blessed. Leave comments. I need comments, guys, especially those drum beats we still missing.